Imagine two identical brains. One retires broke, the other buys freedom, same IQ, same city. What changed? Your college degree won't protect you. Your spreadsheets won't save you. Because money success is 80% behavior, 20% knowledge. Morgan Housel says it best. No one is crazy. We just see the world through the lens of our own scars. Picture a German hyperinflation survivor, stuffing cash under a mattress. Next door, a Swiss banker sleeps soundly. Both think they're rational. Your life story writes your money story. A single recession, a generous aunt, a stolen bike. Each becomes a mental rule book. So before you judge your friend's crypto bet, remember, their data set is different. Their fears are different. Their yesterday is different. Now flip the coin, luck and risk. Invisible twins steering every fortune. Bill Gates attended the only school in 1968 with a computer. 1 in a million odds. His best friend, Kent Evans, shared that luck. Kent died in a mountaineering accident senior year. Same brain, same opportunity, different roll of cosmic dice. We worship Gates' hustle, yet ignore Kent's silence, both narratives incomplete. Lesson: don't copy the extreme winner. Their recipe needs lightning you can't order on Amazon. Judge yourself kindly too. Not every failure is laziness. Not every success is genius. Enter the island party, billionaires popping champagne. Joseph Heller leans to Kurt Vonnegut. I've got something he'll never have. Enough. Rajat Gupta had $100 million, board seats, medals, but the goalpost grew wheels, kept rolling. He tipped friends using insider info, one phone call, then prison gray replaced private jets. When your appetite has no ceiling, every meal tastes bland. Define your number, write it, lock it. When you hit it, stop the game. Because the cost of more is often freedom, reputation, sleep. So ask yourself tonight, what does enough look like for me? Is it a number, a feeling, a day I stop setting alarms? Remember, you're not crazy. They're not crazy. Craft a plan, respect luck. Name your finish line, and the money game becomes a lot kinder.